Welcome back to Exantus Creations. This is the Toyota Matrix at the end of the project, but it didn't start this way. When I first picked up this car, it was high mileage, neglected, and honestly pretty rough. It had mechanical issues, worn parts, cloudy headlights, and interior that clearly hadn't been cleaned in a long time. Over the course of this build, I focused on what actually mattered, reliability first, and then appearance. The CV axle was replaced, the timing tensioner was addressed, small fixes, but important ones. These are the kinds of repairs that turn an old car into something you can trust again. After that, it was time to clean things up visually. Worn door handles were replaced, new hubcaps were installed, and the headlights were restored from foggy and yellowed to clear again. Nothing flashy, just smart, budget-friendly fixes that make a big difference. Once the mechanical and cosmetic work was done, the car received a full interior and exterior deep clean. Years of dirt and grime were removed for the first time. The Matrix actually felt cared for again. This is what I enjoy about projects like this. You don't need a huge budget to bring a car back to life. Just time, effort, and focusing on the right details. With everything finished, the Matrix was ready to be listed for sale. A once neglected car turned into a clean, reliable daily driver again. If you've been following this series, thank you for watching. This was Flipping the Matrix, start to finish. If you enjoyed this build, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Exantus Creations. More builds are coming, and I'll see you again in the next one. Peace.